Hey, Jeremy here with the Disc Jockey News at NAMM 2018. I am at the KV2 audio booth, and this stuff is amazing. I've been talking around here about their equipment and their speaker sounds. And very, very good stuff. This is the ES2 system, right? ES system?
ES series.
ES series, yep. ES 1.0. We're going to talk a little bit about this. I'm going to give him the microphone. Take it away.
Thank you, Jeremy, and welcome to the KV2 audio booth here at NAMM 2018 in the new ACC North Hall. Fantastic to be here with all the other pro audios in the neighborhood. And we're focusing right now here on the ES series. So the ES series is an active-driven series of essentially a plug-and-play, high resolution, high efficiency, professional sound series that's used not just by professionals but by the weekend warriors as well, the ones that really get out there and make the sound happen for everybody in the community. And what makes this a great unit is, again, it is plug and play, so when they get to their event they simply have to take the signal cable, your source material, to the amplifier. Then from this one amplifier of the EPAC 2500, available in the R version, which is rack case, but we also have a standalone in a travel road case. And this one unit will drive your entire system. So it is an active driven system. So inside of here we have four separate amplifiers, 3 of them dedicated to the front of house box, and then one dedicated for the subwoofers. So by the EP6 connection, which is 6-pin, 2 are leading from amplifier number 1 for the high frequency, 2 for the 6-inch mid-range, and the last pair is coming to the 12-inch, which is the low mids. So within this unit, you're going to get capabilities of 134 dB, going up to well over 20 kilohertz, and then a great resolution. Don't forget, we're operating at 20 megahertz, not 98 hertz of the standard, 20 megahertz. So again, the other fundamental aspect of this is the distortion level is so low, 0.02%. So you are going to get clarity in all the frequency ranges, so you're really going to hear those high notes, you're going to hear the mids. It's not going to be confused in there. And by this system being one series, nor are you mixing in any of the low frequencies into the top box, or in reverse, the high frequencies running through the subs in the throughput. It's a direct signal to the top, direct signal to the subs. So in here we'll also operate the subs of a single 18, an 18 and a 15, a dual 15, or 2 dual 15s, or if you want to go with single 15s, you can operate 3 of the ES 1.5 single 15s and pair it up with this box here. The top box, it can be used for a quick in and out production and stacked. It is a rotatable, the entire thing. So you're rotating the highs and the high mids so that you can operate in a vertical position or go with a dual system and stack them inverted. The boxes as well for permanent installation or a more professional event where you do need to rig it and hit the back of the crowd and raise it up to the preferred 4 meters. It is have multiple fly points, and there is hardware that you could run off, and also drop hang your subs as well if you didn't want to do full ground stack. So again, active driven system, plug and play, but a true professional sound that is unmatched in live and playback.
Can we take a look at the back of this one?
Absolutely.
I'm really curious to see it.
Let's give this a quick spin. So you have dual fans because there is, again, 4 amplifiers within the unit. So you have your main inputs. You can have an external sub out as well.
Yep.
So you have all of these functions in here, and this is where I was saying you're not confusing the signal. You have to the ES 1.0, you have your EP6 connection. And even if you send out your rookie road guys to help you out, you can't get to the event yourself until the last minute, and you send your rookies out, they cannot confuse and set it up incorrectly because you have EP4 to the subs. Yep. So you can't confuse it whatsoever, and this is not crossing any of the signals. So it really is plug and play. So you do have your various selections in here, your controls and external subs out, external subs in, so that you can daisy chain through again. And this would be used if you are going to have a dual system and have 2 of the 1.0s per side.
Yep, that makes sense. So more information online.
Online, you can reach us at KV2audio.com or via our social media in the KV2 Audio community on Facebook. We also have a rental network of where people share stories and collaborations of their events, Twitter and all that wonderful stuff. And reach out to your local dealer and be more than happy to help you out.
Excellent. Hey, it's Ron from KV2 Audio.
Thank you, Jeremy.
Thank you so much. Yep. We'll see everybody later.